Two friends, Sonam and Rohan, are doing their maths activity using colored sheets of different shapes.
Rohan, what is the shape of the sheet you have?
I have a square-shaped sheet. Do you know this square is made up of lines and angles?
Yes, I know. The square has 4 line segments and 4 angles.
You are right, Sonam. Also, observe the opposite sides. The opposite sides are a set of parallel lines.
Now, let us fold the sheet such that the opposite corners meet. When we unfold the sheet, we can see that the 2 lines formed are nothing but the diagonals of the square.
Yes. Also, the diagonals pass through each other at a point. That is, they intersect each other at a point. Do you know what these lines are called?
Yes, Rohan, these lines are called intersecting lines.
Sonam, can you see the angles formed?
Yes, I can see. Due to the intersection of 2 diagonals, 4 angles are formed.
Their senior Ratan enters the room and listens to their discussion.
Hello guys, what is going on?
Rohan and me are discussing about lines and angles made on this square sheet.
Oh, that's nice. Do you have any idea about the names of those angles formed due to the intersections of diagonals? They have special names.
Is it? What are those special names?
When 2 lines intersect with each other, then the opposite angles that are formed due to the intersection are called vertically opposite angles. We call angles 1 and 3 and angles 2 and 4 as a pair of vertically opposite angles.
Wow, these angles have special names.
There are also angles formed by the pair of parallel sides and the diagonals connecting them, like alternate angles, corresponding angles, and so on. We need to learn more about these angles.
Lines and angles are found in many places around us. For example, lines can be found in ladder, railings, railroad tracks, windows, etc. Also, we can find angles in cloth hangers, scissors, cycle spokes, clock, ladder, etc. Why do we need lines and angles? In the construction industry, angles make the difference of whether a building is safe or not. Architects and contractors need to calculate angles very precisely to create a structure which stands upright and allows rainwater to run off the roof. Furthermore, without ensuring all structures are built with straight lines, construction workers cannot guarantee that windows and doors will fit. If these angles and lines are calculated incorrectly or they are not built accurately, the structure could collapse, leave draughty gaps, or allow ingress of water. Let us conclude. You can see lines and angles around us. We will learn more about angles and lines in this chapter.